from advanced options, you can decide whether to search content. Content means data inside the files. Data inside. Zipped files means files which are having some other files and folders inside it. It's like your bag. Bag can be zipped. Bag has a zip. Bag eකට zip එකක් තියෙනවා. When you close the zip, you cannot see what is inside. But you know that there are many items inside that. That is called zip. That is similar to zip file. Zip කරාම ඇතුලේ තියෙන මොනවද කියලා එකපාර පේන්නේ නැහැ. But when you unzip, you can see what is inside that. And system files. System files means files belongs to the operating system. System files means files belongs to the operating system. You can decide whether to search system files. Files belongs to the operating system. That is from the advanced option 5. 5 is recent searches. 5 recent searches. It will list most recent searches you have done. It will list the most recent searches you have done. If you wish to hide those searches from the others, you can delete it. So you want to do investigation. Let's say you are a security fellow. You want to do an investigation whether there's a maybe you are searching for kind of a file. You do investigation, but you want that investigation to be hidden. Actually, so no one else want. Actually, no one. You want to stop that by seeing that seen by the others. Then you can delete the search. So like this. So here you can see all the searches are there. All the recent searches are there, but you want to hide that from others. You can clear the search history. So that will be hidden. So then others cannot see what you have searched. Likewise, you can clear the search if you want. So you want to, for an example, you want to search whether your brother has done some editing and you are searching that and you found that he has done some editing, but you just want to hide it from your brother and you just clear the recent search, then it will be erased. Otherwise, what you have searched, it is inside, it is listed there.
So the file won't be deleted, no?
No, file won't be deleted. It's just to delete the search. Finished writing?
No, sir. Can you give another 2 minutes? Yes.
Okay, sure. But this is actually more than grade 7 stuff. Because in grade 7, we just learn what is the kind and size dash modifier, that's all. But now we know some advanced details, like clearing the search. And also we know how to here. So this will actually recent search options. This is search options, so which I couldn't mention here. Let me add this to the note. You can see whether to search file content or system files or zipped files and folders. So file content means what is inside the file, in the data inside the file. System files means files which belongs to the operating system. Zipped file or zipped folder. For an example, you can send a group of files to a bag like thing. So you can select all these files, select, right click, send to zip folder. Right? You can see all these files, right click, send to zip folder, like this. Then you can see this is, let's say this is ABC. So let's rename it as ABC. So let's say I have deleted other files. Let's say I have deleted these files after zipping. Let's delete this. Okay, now all are deleted. Let me empty the recycle bin. Now recycle bin is also empty, means it's permanently deleted. But you can obtain that files because you have zipped it. So you can go to your zip file or folder and obtain that files. Here you can right click and unzip, or you can say extract. Right click and extract. When you extract, you can see it will be a folder created. Inside this folder, you can see all these files that you have deleted. Zip means you can put group of files to one file.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, when I go to zip, compress zip for specified directory is empty, so compress zip.
Sorry, I didn't get. Can you repeat the question? Hello, can you repeat the question? Oh, Shamin. Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, when I send them to the compress folder, it says the specified directory is empty, so compressed folders cannot add to the archive.
Okay. So I think the reason is you are adding empty folder to a compressed file. That's why. Empty one, no need to add to the zip file. So just ignore the empty one, and other folders, other files you can add. Because you are adding one empty file. That's why that error comes. Right? Okay. So after this, let's learn how to search in the, so now we know how to search in computer, but you should know some another thing, that is how to search in internet. To do that, you can just go to Google. In Google, basically, you can start searching. Let's say you want grade 8, something related to grade 8, and you need presentations. You can say file type :PPTX. Then it will list all the presentations related to grade 8, all the public presentations related to grade 8. So let me copy this and send this to you. You can also try in the Google. So, but use the same text, right? Grade 8 file type PPTX. Then it will search and list all the files and folders, basically all the PowerPoint files. This is PPTX, no, all the PowerPoint files related to grade 8. You can see all are related to grade 8. You can see from different, yes, the different places in the world you will get that. And if it is grade 8 file type DOCX, what will be the result? DOCX? Word files. Word files related to grade 8. You can see all these word files related to grade 8. If you search like file type equal PDF, you can get PDFs related to grade 8. PDFs related to grade 8. And you can
At all the files are PDF, Maths PDF, English PDF, those are.
yeah. All are PDFs. All the results that you are getting are PDF, nothing else.
So what about docs?
So all the files are Word, DOCX. All the files you get are docs, Word files. You can see a doc. You can just right click and save this file as. No need to go and access the file. Just you can right click, save the file, save link as. Then you can see it will ask you to save a Word file here. So asking you to save a Word file. When you save this, it's none other than a Word file. So likewise, you can just download Word files. You can download, so you can download any type of file. And size. So why you're using size? Especially when you download pictures. Let's say you need waterfall. But you need waterfalls, the large image. You can go and from tools, go to tools. You can select size large. Then it will search large files only. All these files are large files. So sometimes you will not get very high quality files. To stop that, you can use the file size, not any size. Go to tools and select this. Size is large. Then you will get large files only. All these files are large. You can just click. You can see the file is very large. So just right click, open image in new tab, right click, open image in new tab, and you can see that file, that specific image file. See here.
Sir, HD means large.
Yes, high definition, it's large. This is the file that I got. It's a large file. Right, then you can set this as a wallpaper if you want. Right, you can right click and set this as a wallpaper. Then videos, if you need, okay, let's say you need a video. You can go to video and there you can search, okay, let's say grade 8. And you want to search large videos, go to tools and you can select duration longer than 20 minutes. Then you'll get videos longer than 20 minutes.
Sir, can you do that again?
Which one, Pute?
Videos. Did you do any change?
Yeah, go to videos. Let's say you go and search grade 8 ICT, right? And you can see grade 8 ICT videos. From the tools, go to tools, and from there you can select longer than 20 minutes.
Okay, sir.
You get all the ICT related videos, and it will include our videos too. Here you can see our videos, our class videos also. So then, so if it is longer than 20 minutes only, you will get that. Right. Likewise, you can specify the search. You can specify, so you can specify whether this is uploaded. So for an example, if you want to find out the past week videos, you can see the videos uploaded past week. Right. So if you want to search high quality videos, you can search high quality. Right. Likewise, you can search. Okay, so that is basically how the search happens. Okay, one need the last sentence of the note, so I'll show that quickly and stop today's class. Right, this is that. Do you have any question to be asked to us from me? Any question to ask related to the searching part?
No,
because we
sir.
have almost done our, now we have that zip-in, unzip-in and emailing part and the deleting. So that is the only thing. Maybe next week we can finish that part also. Yes, anything that you want to ask? Okay, it seems since you all are silent, seems no questions are there. But if you have questions, please ask. So I need not just compliments, so comments, criticism is also accepted. So if you have like,
Excuse me.
yes, okay, any complaint?
Sir, can we do this in a tab browser?
In a tab, no. In tab, there are some
Okay.
different methods.
Okay, sir. I'm doing in a tab.
All right, okay. So if you have any issue, any question, any problem, you can ask from me. And
Okay,
for
sir.
example, if you have any comments, compliments, criticism, or complaints, still welcome. You can tell it to me. So like I didn't receive the note. Yes, you can send it to WhatsApp. Then I look what has happened. If you complain only, we know. Therefore, these are positive inputs for our class. If there's a good thing in some other class, then over science class, maths class, and if there are any good things from those classes, please let me know. Then we can add those things to our classes too. Okay, then let's stop for today and let's meet in the next week. Good night and have a nice
Good night, sir. God bless, sir.
day.
Good night, sir. Thank you,
Good
sir.
night, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye.
Good night, sir. Thank you, sir.